How rich will you be if you invested $1,000 in XRP? XRP news today, shocking results. One thing you might have heard a lot is, if you invested just $3,000 in XRP back in 2017 and sold it at a peak level in 2018, you would have been a millionaire by now. Well, we believe that's an exaggerated version of reality. To be honest, a lot of these opportunities are a little too good to be true. But that's not what we're gonna do. So, you are not gonna get any such unrealistic hopes from our side. We are gonna talk about the reality, the truth. One thing which is very frustrating for a lot of us is to miss a chance that was actually worth it. It might not make you a millionaire or billionaire instantly, but it could have made your investments multiply at a realistic rate. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the realistic opportunities coming up for you to multiply your investments, how XRP can skyrocket and become one of the most used currencies on the planet. Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
First of all, you should stop thinking about all the missed opportunities. Don't concentrate on what was missed, think about new opportunities. Ripple price showed a strong surge recently as it rallied at 16% and set up a local top at $1.23. However, it didn't last long as investors started booking profits while Bitcoin started gaining more demand. As long as the investors prefer the bellwether crypto, XRP and other altcoin market structures will either show a coiling up phase or enter a corrective period. In the meantime, investors can expect XRP price to retract to the October 8 swing low as $1.046 or the support floor at $1.01. However, a bounce at or before $1.01 will most likely push the prices to $1.267. Moving on, XRP and RippleNet are both Ripple products. For those of you who are new, RippleNet is a decentralized global network of banks and payment providers that is connected through Ripple's distributed financial technology. RippleNet can not only use XRP as a mediator currency, but many other cryptocurrencies can be used. The RippleNet platform is an open source protocol which is designed to allow fat and cheap transactions. The goal is to take over all the international transactions worldwide. This platform allows you to make payments in any currency with a transaction fee of just 0.00001, which is basically free. The only purpose of the transaction fee is to prevent DDoS attacks. DDoS attack is a distributed denial of service attack, which is a malicious attempt to disrupt the normal traffic of a targeted server, service, or network by overwhelming the target or its surrounding infrastructure with a flood of internet traffic. XRP acts as a mediator currency between those being exchanged. This is why there is no commission. Each side just buys or sells XRP without the need to transfer money and currency. This concept is extremely powerful and lays in a majority of cryptocurrency fundamentals. Ripple just provides a platform for banking systems that easily integrates with it. Now that you know the real power of XRP, let's talk about the ways in which you can multiply your XRP investments. The current XRP market capitalization is $51.6 billion, while the supply is somewhere around 46.7 billion units, which gives us approximately $1.1 per coin. Let's compare the XRP market cap with a bunch of other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum for example. So imagine in 2 to 3 years, XRP achieves all its goals and adopts masses to use it to make transactions in the world, while its market capitalization reaches $7 to $8 trillion. That's when the supply of XRP is 70 billion units with a price of $110 per XRP, which means around 400 times its current price. In this case, you will have to invest $2,500 to become a millionaire. Sounds too optimistic? This is just an example of what all the other clickbaity videos might tell you. So, let's take a look at a more realistic approach that might actually have the chance to happen in the near future. Imagine XRP reaches a market cap of $280 billion with a supply of 100 billion units. In this case, the price of XRP would be somewhere around $2.8, which is 10 times the price of what it is now. So, according to this realistic approach, investing $100,000 is what's gonna make you wealthy. But hey, just imagine if you invested $2.5 grand into Ripple and things start to go uphill. It won't take long until $2.5 grand becomes 25 and then eventually 100 grand. But at the same time, there is a chance that you might lose all of it. So, would you rather risk all of it or not? We would rather not. This is also why all those hyped up and unrealistic phrases make no sense. All this talking leads to a conclusion that all investments do not make sense without a good cash out strategy. So, if you like to be the holder like us, then a good strategy would be to take out 4% each time the market gets a 20% increase in price. At the same time, you can use this strategy when the market experiences a 20% drop. All you need to do is buy 4% back. Doing this will earn a little on-market volatility and will hold a majority of investment. Makes sense, right? Tell us in the comments section. This way, each cash out amount will grow with the price increase while you can repeat the process infinitely without fear. Let's now take a look at an example of the strategy that we just explained. So, you have a base investment of $2,500. The asset then goes up a whopping 20% and we cash out 4%. A similar situation repeats around 10 times, and by now we have cashed out almost $3,000 in total, which is more than the actual amount we invested. Let's say that the asset goes down by 20%. That's when we buy 4% of our investment back. The process repeats 10 times, and by now we have invested around $2,000 back in total. We are almost back where we started. The only difference is that we now have $1 grand in our hands. You can likewise take 0.2% cash out for every 1% increase in price, and it will be equivalent to 4% for 20% market change. Or you can increase the cash out percentage as you like. But let us remind you that something more than 4% would be a little too aggressive. Other than that, you can basically create a formula that suits you the best and shows you what amount is to be sold or bought according to the current market conditions. The formula shows you how many percent of the current price of an asset differs from your base asset. Then just multiply by 0.02 with the percent count, but remember to reset the base price when you buy or sell the asset. However, it is to be noted that this is just an example to test the strategy, while in the real-world scenarios, the volatility of all crypto assets is crazy. Coming back to XRP, it is in the middle of a recovery phase right now from the lawsuit filed by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Back in December of 2020, the SEC sued Ripple for selling $1.3 billion worth of XRP tokens illegally, claiming that they were actually securities and not a cryptocurrency. The SEC lawsuit likewise resulted in Ripple's price crashing to new lows, while other crypto assets were surging. For instance, Bitcoin reaching 60K, XRP was lingering around a few cents. This is how the lawsuit damaged Ripple's reputation and prices. However, in recent times, it has become clear that the SEC's case is weak, and there is growing optimism that Ripple is going to win the case. This has put the price of XRP on an upward trajectory, which the currency still seems to be riding. Ripple certainly has some risk factors. The founders hold a large number of coins, and it's still a long way from challenging its main rival. But at the same time, Ripple is becoming more and more mainstream as it gets the backing of major financial institutions. In the end, we would like to say that the content in this video is for instructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP soaring in price in the near future. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and see you in the next video.